So Samsung has started adding support pages for Samsung Fold 2, if that's what it will be called. Folding smartphones are coming out faster than ever with availability of perfect material and supply for these folding smartphones. And I can guarantee you, the folding phones will be the future of smartphones. On Friday, Galaxy Club spotted support pages on Samsung Africa's website which made reference to an unannounced device with model number SM-F700F. Sam Mobile reported earlier this year that the next Galaxy Fold would carry the same model number, and these recently uploaded web pages seem to support that claim. The codename for this device is Bloom. The form factor of this phone will be different than its original Galaxy Fold. This time it will have the clamshell design like Motorola Razr 2019. This information is not just based on leaks, but also it was shown in the Samsung's developer conference confirming the leaks. As you can see in the video, what the UI will look like and the interface changes that will come with this vertical fold mechanism. And on top there is a punch hole for selfie. They haven't revealed the screen size, but as per past leaks, it's expected to have 6.7-inch screen size with 21:9 aspect ratio for cinematic experience, which most of the recent phones have implemented as well, and a 1-inch screen on the outside for smaller tasks. The Galaxy Fold 2 will no longer be a smartphone that can turn into a tablet, but rather a pocketable device that can turn into a regular sized phone. I am curious as to how this will fare against Moto Razr because the bar is set high by the Moto. I personally like the clamshell design because now the phone can easily fit into the pocket and can still be used like a regular smartphone. Now this may launch in the same time as the Galaxy S11 next spring, and it will be overall cheaper than the Galaxy Fold. The Samsung Galaxy A51 is expected to arrive soon as it has already bagged certifications from the Wi-Fi Alliance and BIS, that is Bureau of Indian Standards, and its support page also went live on the company's official Russian website. The Galaxy A51 is rumored to ship with 4000 mAh battery, and while Samsung hasn't officially revealed any details about the Galaxy A51 yet, a certification from the South Korean government's research institute reveals the smartphone will indeed pack a 4000 mAh cell, which is the same size as the Galaxy A50 and A50s's battery. And for the rest of the leak specs, it's the same old leaks. We don't have any new information, but you can check out the old leaks on the screen right now. So that's it for today guys, hope you enjoyed it. See you tomorrow, peace out.